Tired of clicking through the Start menu every time you want to open an application? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to launch apps quickly with ueli. We'll cover the basics, a few shortcuts, and some tips to make opening your favorite programs almost instant. So let's begin. First, make sure ueli is installed and running on your computer. Open it from the Start menu, or use its default keyboard shortcut if it's already running in the background. A compact search window will appear on your screen. Now click inside the search bar if needed and start typing the name of the application you want to open. You can type Chrome, Notepad, Calculator, or any other installed program. ueli updates the results automatically as you type. When the application appears in the results list, use the arrow keys if there are multiple matches. Once you've highlighted the correct one, press Enter to launch it instantly. As you keep using ueli, it learns which applications you open most often and may place them higher in the results. After a while, you'll usually only need to type a few letters before the right app shows up. For an even smoother experience, you can configure ueli to start automatically when Windows launches, so whenever your computer is ready, ueli is ready too. Try using ueli to open the applications you use every day, like your browser, file manager, text editor, or media player. After a little practice, it becomes one of the fastest ways to launch programs. And that's it. You've learned how to launch apps with ueli quickly and efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.